Hi, this is Nathalie from LineDotArrow from the Netherlands, and I'm finally ready to do the winner's drawing for the October challenges. We did the hashtag Autumn Arrived challenge, working with the Autumn Arrived kit and the freebies. And we also did a freebie challenge with the Halloween freebies, and that was the hashtag LDA Halloween challenges. You could post in the Facebook group or in the event section. And I have to thank Stacy that she married. She is an admin from the Facebook group for getting the names for me. So thank you very much, Stacy. Without her, we wouldn't have the wheel filled. So I'm very happy she did that for me. And I'm going to spin 4 times in total. I'm going to spin the first 3 spins for the digital prizes. The first prize is 3 digitals, the second prize is 2 digitals, and the third prize is 1 digital. And if, for instance, your name is in the wheel multiple times, but you are like the winner for the first, the second, or the third spin, your name will be taken out of the wheel completely. So everybody has a chance of winning, because otherwise I can spin your name like 3 times, and I want to give everybody a chance to win. So that is going to happen, and then we are also going to put all the names back in, and then we are going to be drawing for the journal, the handmade journal that I made with the So Shabby kit. Sorry, my phone is still on. I have to mute that. But I worked with Suzanne from Non-Stop Papercrafts kit. I think it was in May or June. I'm not sure anymore. But when she had the challenges in the Facebook group, I was in her design team, and I worked with that kit, and I made a journal with it, and that is the giveaway journal. So I'm going to put all the names back in, and when I spin for the fourth time, then if your name is going to be mentioned in the wheel, you will receive the handmade journal. But first, let's spin for the first prize, 3 digitals. I'm going to give it a go, and when your name pops up, you are the lucky winner of 3 digitals. So here we go. And the first prize winner for 3 digitals is Rose de Veo. And like I said, I'm going to remove all your names. So if you are in the wheel multiple times, you are gone now. But thank you, Rose, for joining in with the challenges, and congratulations with winning 3 digitals. You won the first prize. Yay! I'm going to remove your name now. So here you go. You're going to be removed. And now we're going for the second prize, 2 digitals from my Etsy store. And the second prize winner is Naomi Shaw. Also, thank you very much for joining in with the challenges. And yeah, you won the second prize, 2 digits. So let me know which one you want to receive, Naomi, and I will send them to you. I'm going to remove your name from the wheel now too. There you go. It doesn't sound very kind when I say that, but I don't mean it in a bad way. And now we're going to spin for the third prize, 1 digital from my Etsy store. Here we go. And the third prize winner is Joan Brown. And well, thank you, Joan, for joining in with the challenges. Yeah, you won the third prize. Congratulations. Let me know which kit you want to receive, and I will send it to you. And I'm not going to remove Joan because I need to add all the names back in for the final spin for the journal. So let me get those names, but I have to switch to a special document where I have all the names in. So I'm going to pause, I'm going to pop in all the names, and then we're going to spin for the journal. So I have everything ready. All the names are back in. Yeah, let's give it a go and let's see who will win the journal. Here we go. I'm so excited to see who's going to win. And I wish I had multiple journals to send out because, well, really, I want to send it to everybody. Ah, Miss Rose Feo, you won again. You won the journal. So yeah, let me know where to send it. Congratulations. Yeah, I'm excited myself. So yeah, well, this was the drawing for the October challenge. Make sure you enter in the November challenge too. You can enter with the freebies or with the kit and the freebies. But yeah, of course you can use the kit, but if you don't want to buy the kit, you can also use the freebies and enter. There will be also winners drawing with the digital prizes. I have explained everything in the not in the Facebook group, in the YouTube video. But you can join in 5 groups. And don't stop watching, by the way, now, because I'm going to do another spin. For those of you who wanted to be a group ambassador, just stay a little bit longer on the channel. But yeah, I'm going to have a November challenge too. Well, it is already started today. And there will be digitals, but also a physical item that I will going to send to the winner. And I will announce the prize this week, what it's going to be. I have several options, but to be honest, I also have to look at shipment costs. Because the bigger the item, the more difficult it is to send. So I have to figure out what is the best way to do. But I will get to that and I will let you know. But I'm also going to do another spin, and that spin is going to be for the group ambassador. I had a few ladies that entered to be the group ambassador to work with the winter still kit, and I thought, well, how nice would it be if I put those names in a wheel too. I'm going to give it a spin, and then the person's name that pops up is going to be the ambassador. Because to be honest, I couldn't choose. You are very talented. You send pictures, so yeah. I don't want to choose. I let the wheel decide. So let me put the names in, and I will be back. Okay, so here I am. These are the ladies that entered, well, on the call out for the group ambassador, the LDA group ambassador. And what it means is you basically being a guest design team member and posting your makings in the group using the hashtag LDA group ambassador, and also using the hashtag, in this case, winter still. Yeah, that's basically it. And if you also want to join in with the challenges, this can be a struggle, of course, because you are also doing like a guest design team member, but design team members are not excluded from the drawings. Group owners are. So if you post with the hashtag winter still and hashtag LDA group ambassador, you also will be entered in the giveaway for the winter still challenge. So you're not excluded, you are included, you have a free kit to work with, and you can also work with the freebies and also join in with the challenge. But it's just to get members in the spotlight, show their talents, and just have fun. So you're not excluded from everything, you are included in everything. So here we go. Let's see who's going to be the group ambassador. Yay, it's so exciting. Okay, I think I made a writing error. I think it's Melinda McKim Davis. I'm so sorry for this, but congratulations, you are going to be the group ambassador. Get in touch with me so I can send you the digitals. And yeah, you have fun with working with the kit, show off your work in the Facebook group. And you also allowed to put it on YouTube or on social media or anything you want, as long as you use the hashtag you are working with, and it would be nice if you tag me in the comment too so I can see. But it's basically to show off your work in the Facebook group. But if you have a channel, that's okay. You can promote it, whatever you want. And I hope to see, well, I'm looking forward to seeing your work. And thanks to the other ladies. I'm going to do a call out, and maybe not next month, but in the upcoming year for sure. So make sure you keep an eye on those posts and respond again. And maybe you will be the next one doing the group ambassador job, being a guest design team member for the LineDotArrow team. And yeah, thanks everybody for joining in. Thank you all for watching. Yeah, it's not a very informative video with a tutorial craft-wise, but yeah, I hope you like the video, so give it a thumbs up. That would really help my channel because, well, I noticed when I was a week out of business because I was sick, everything drops, the numbers drops. You you are gone in a second on YouTube. So if you just see the video or any other video on my channel, it would really help me if you just leave a like and leave me a comment. And while you're at it, you can also subscribe if you're not a subscriber. It doesn't cost you anything, and it does mean the world to me. Yeah, so thanks again, everybody. Stay safe, stay creative. I hope to see you in the next video with crafting things. Greetings from the Netherlands. Bye bye. Bye.